Hey, you talking to Kirsty?
No.
No? I thought you wanted to say hello to her.
But I want to.
You want to?
Yeah.
Well, say hello to her then.
Hello.
Remember,
Hello, Kirsty.
remember Kirsty's going to be watching this. It'll be just like you're talking to her. What do you want to say to her?
Huh?
I miss you.
I missed you.
And? Are you going to sing her a song?
E, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q, R, N, S, and T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. You can sing along with me.
Good girl. Hey, you saying bye?